Welcome to Knowledge Gainer 1 channel. Today, let us discuss the exercise 2.1 of the sets topic in 10th class. The first question is, which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. First one, the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. In a year, there are 3 months whose name begins with the letter J. So, this is a well-defined collection. So, for the first bit, the answer, this is a set. Second question is the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. For the second one, no particular rule is given to decide whether a writer is talented or not. So, this is not a set. Third one is a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. The third one is also same. No particular rule is given to decide a particular batsman is best or not. That is, we can't take a particular set of batsmen. So, this is not a set. Fourth one is the collection of all boys in your class. Collection of all the boys in your class is a well-defined one. So, this is a set. Fifth one is the collection of all the even integers. We can take the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So, this collection is a set. Let us move to second question. The second question is, if A is equal to 0, 2, 4 and 6, B is 3, 5, 7, C is P, Q, R. Now fill the correct symbol that is belongs to or does not belongs to in the blanks. 0 is present in the set A. So 0 belongs to A. Second one, 3 is present in set B. It is not present in C. So 3 does not belong to C. 4 is not there in set B. So does not belongs to. Fourth one is 8 is not there in set A. So does not belongs to. P belongs to C because P is present in the set C. 7 is also present in set B. So belongs to. Third question is, express the following statements using symbols. The element X does not belong to A. So we should use the symbol does not belongs to A. Second one is, D is an element of the set B. We can express this in the form of D belongs to set B. 1 belongs to the set of natural numbers. Set of natural numbers can be defined with the capital letter N. So 1 belongs to capital letter N, that is natural numbers. 8 does not belong to the set of prime numbers P. So 8 does not belongs to capital P. Fourth question is, state whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. 5 does not belongs to the set of prime numbers. Since 5 is a prime number, this belongs to the set of prime numbers. So this is false. Here the set S is equal to 5, 6, 7 is given. Implies 8 belongs to S. Here in the set 8 is not there. So this is false. Third one, minus 5 does not belongs to W, where W is the set of whole numbers. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. There are no negative numbers in the set of whole numbers. So this is true. Fourth one is 8 belongs to Z, where Z is the set of integers. But this number is in the P by Q form. This is a rational number. So this is false. Fifth question is, write the following sets in the Rooster form. Here the first question is given in the set builder form. X is a natural number less than 6. Now let us take the set B. In that we should write the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We should not write 6 because it is less than 6 is given. So we should stop until 5 only. This is a Rooster form. Second question is, set C, X is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of the digits is 8. Here by adding 1 with 7 we get 8 and 2 with 6 that is 26, 3 and 5 35, again 53, 44, 62 and 71. This is the set C of 2-digit natural numbers. Here the sum of the digits is 8. Third one is set C, X is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. The divisors of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 10. In this, we should take only the prime numbers. So, the set becomes 3 and 5. The fourth one is set A is equal to X is an alphabet in the word better. So, we should take the set as B, E, T and R. The repeated letters we should take only once. Sixth question is, write the sets in the set builder form. Here the questions are given in the Rooster form. The first question given is set 3, 6, 9 and 12. From this we can understand that all these are multiples of 3. So take the set A, X is a multiple of 3. But here only up to 12 is given. So X is a multiple of 3 less than 13. We should take this as X is a multiple of 3 and less than 13 is the set builder form. The second question is set of 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Let us consider the set B. Here take X. Here consider the set B, X is in the power of 2 and less than 6 because 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is 4, 2 power 3 is 8, 2 power 4 is 16 and 2 power 5 is 32. So Third question is set of 5, 25, 125 and 625. Let us take the set C. X is in the power of 5 and less than 5 because 5 power 1 is 5, 5 power 2 is 25, 5 power 3 is 125 and 5 power 4 is 625. If we take 5 power 5, this becomes 625 into 5. This is not given in the roster form. So we should take up to 5 power 4 only. The fourth question is set of 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on up to 100. We can consider this as 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square up to 10 square. So the set builder form is d is equal to x. X is an square of the natural number not greater than 10. The seventh question is write the sets in roster form. First one is A. X is a natural number greater than 50 and smaller than 100. So we can write the set in the roster form as set of 51, 52 and so on smaller than 100. So we should write up to 99 only. The second one is set B. X is an integer. X square is equal to 4. If we substitute some value in the place of x, we should get the answer as 4. So the set becomes plus 2, comma, minus 2 because plus 2 square is 4 and minus 2 square is also 4. Third question is set T. X is a letter in the word lawyer. We should take only the repeated letter single time. So L-O, Y and A. Fourth question. Set E is equal to x. X is equal to 2 n square plus 1 minus 3 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 3 and n belongs to z, that is integer. Now we should substitute the value of n as minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. By substituting all these values we get the value of x. So the set becomes 1, 3, 9 and 19. Eighth question is match the roster form with the set builder form. First one is 1, 2, 3 and 6. Here all these are divisors of 6. So this gets matched to C. X is a natural number and divisor of 6. Second one is 2 and 3. These two are prime numbers and also the divisors of 6. So the answer is A. X is a prime number and the divisor of 6. Third one is MATHEICS. So the option is D. X is a letter of the word mathematics. Fourth one is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. All these are odd numbers. So the answer is B. X is a odd natural number but up to 9 only given. So it is smaller than 10. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer Online channel and also share with your friends.